Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Viewers Tech Finder. Today we will continue with the next part of GitHub repo creation and push files with the easy steps into the GitHub repository from your PC. For that, first of all you have to open your GitHub and open the repository what we have created in the earlier session. Then now go to the file explorer. Go to the folder from where you need to upload the files into the GitHub. Now type cmd on the top and enter. First of all, we need to initialize the local repository. For that, you have to type git init. Now git initialized initialized empty git repository. See here, you can find the .git folder in this repository. Generally, it not visible. It will be in the hidden items. If you want to view .git file, then you have to check out these hidden items. If you haven't checked out these hidden items, you did not find that .git folder in here. So to view that, you have to check out the hidden items here. It will be present in the view option. Now, you need to check the git status. Git status is the command which will give what are the files are present in the folder which are not included into our repository. This red color indicates that this arithmetic operations file is not pushed into our git repository. So to push that, we need to use git add dot. Dot in the sense it will add all the files present in that folder. Here now we have only one file, so it will push only the one file. If you want to push the particular file, in the place of dot you have to give that file name. Now again check git status. See, all the files present in that folder turned into green color, which represents the files are added into the git. Now we need to commit git commit -m. Here we need to provide the commit message. Here I am giving as first commit. Enter. Committed. Now we have to create git branch -M main. Main is created. Now we need to add the remote origin. For that, you need to go to your git repository place and copy this git remote add origin command and paste it here and enter. Now the final step is you have to push the committed files. Git push -u origin main. Click enter. It will take a few seconds. Now completed. Now go to your repository and just refresh the repository. You see arithmetic operations file is present in the repository and see the commit message. First commit is present for all the files. Now this is the initial, first time if you push this code into your repository. Now if you added some more files in this, suppose for example I am bringing one more file into this. Now at this time you should not no need to again reinitialize the repository, no need to again re-add the remote add origin command. You have to just check like git status. See, the hello tech finder is not there. Now git add dot, that's and then commit git commit -m second commit. Now git push -u origin main. That's all. Files added. Go to your repository and just refresh it. See, the second file hello text finder is added with the commit message, second commit. So you have to remember that only the first time if you are pushing the files to the repository, you need to use that git init commit and git add remote origin command. Otherwise, from the next time onwards, you just focus on the four commands: git status, git add, git commit and git push. That's all. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment it in the comment section. If you want to know how to create the git account and repository, please watch the previous part 1 video. The link will be provided in the description. And once again, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.